Assalamualaikum and hi. My name Shafiq bin Suhaimi. I will be present my industrial training presentation by Faculty of Agrobase Industry from March until July 2025. My company name that I was intern is QL Food Sendirian Berhad that located at Hutan Melintang, Hili Perak. My academic advisor OPA is Dr. Nur Karimah binti Mohta. My metric number F21B1353 and I'm from SPF course. The first slide is about memory. Most valuable experience I got during internship is obtain clear picture on how food industry operation in R&D department, and I also joined the daily training for production. One memorable memory at industry from March until July 2025 is I give a talk and briefing for basic safety application in workplace, other awareness and general GMP training. One memorable memory at UMK Jeli is I was completely final year project for mushroom research on nutrient by using Supergrow, and to my F2022 junior, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Alhamdulillah, thanks to Allah for given the opportunity, brave and life to learn and expand my knowledge until my internship end. I express my deepest appreciation and gratitude to my industry supervisor, Mr. Muhammad Hairul Amri bin Mustafa Kamal, who helped me a lot in giving knowledge and view along my internship period. I would like to appreciate my PA, Dr. Nur Karimah binti Mohta, and R&D manager, Miss Chan Hutin, that given me chance to do internship at QL Food Sendirian Berhad for 16 weeks long. Chapter 1, Introduction. Introduction to Organization. QL Food Sendirian Berhad is the leading home ground agrobase in the country, located in Hutan Melintang, Hili Perak, Malaysia. Incorporated in 1994, as one of the subsidiary of QL Resources Berhad, specialist on marine product. QL Food Sendirian Berhad proud to be a biggest manufacturer and distributor of surimi-based product in Asia. Organization background. I will explain about vision and mission of the company. The vision of the company is becoming the preferred global agro-based enterprise, and the mission is creating nourishing product from agro resources, leading to benefit for all parties. This is the organization chart of QL Food Industry. For main chart frozen division, under Executive Director have Production, Innovation and Regulatory Affairs, Sales Department, Account and Purchasing. Under Innovation and Regulatory Affairs, or also known as IRA Department, have Quality Assurance, Halal Department and Research and Development. Under Research and Development, or also known as R&D, have Laboratory, R&D Lab, or dry ingredient preparation. So for my department is Research and Development. Manager R&D under Miss Chan Hutin have Laboratory and dry ingredient. Under R&D Lab have R&D Executive, R&D Assistant and R&D Lab Assistant. And for my department, dry ingredient supervisor Mr. Hairul Amri have leader and operator. This is the organization product and service. QL company have branch that focus on farming, marine, palm oil, eggs and kitchen. QL Food Sendirian Berhad have variety product in 2025. All byproduct and food waste from QL Food will be processed as product for marine life under company QL Fish Meal. Let's go to the chapter 2, Summary of Industrial Training Activities. This is my summary of daily activity. At Station 1, Salt and Sugar, I do ensure all ingredient meet and fulfill production order and formulation specification. Detect any defect on packet. Record excessive temperature and humidity value, random checking every 1 hour, ingredient such as sample batch and seal strength, and I take 3 random sample. At Station 2, Flavor Room, I ensure all ingredient and fulfill production order and formulation specification, detect any defect on packet, record excessive temperature and humidity value, chiller temperature, and random checking every 1 hour for ingredient, look at sample wave, batch and seal strengths, and I also track 3 random sample. At Station 3, Seasoning Area, I ensure all ingredient and fulfill production, order and formulation specification, detect any defect on packet, and random checking every 1 hour for all product, look at sample wave, batch and seal strengths, and I list 3 random sample. At Station 4, Starch and Flour Machine Line, I ensure all packet fulfill production order and formulation specification, detect any defect on packet, jot the starch machine operation running record, production speed per 1 minute per packet, and random checking every 1 hour for all product, take the sample wave, batch and seal strengths, and list 3 random sample. This is my technical report, assignment 1, internal inspection. For daily job, I do product specification, harness water checking in ppm unit, daily order QC task, sorting process, chiller temperature checking in degree Celsius unit, food bath chlorine level checking in ppm unit, and production ingredient weighing line random inspection. For weekly tasks, I do knife equipment condition inspection, and for monthly, calibration chiller inspection, bed station inspection, chemical weather calibration, and pest control internal inspection. This is my training and briefing. Give several briefing and awareness on 11 June 2025. First, general and safety briefing. I do talk about basic GMP practice for a run, basic safety briefing, checking ingredient, and general cleaning schedule. For type instruction briefing, I talk about plastic color, wave and type, chill product, product ingredient list, and starch, flour, and wheat. And SOP and safety briefing, I talk about allergen list in dry, ingredient, cleaning, eating place, safety drive a forklift, using mechanical aid, and using trolley. This is my assignment, assist in documentation. First, I do daily logbook ingredient usage, that I key in supplier data and date of receiving, manufacturing expired date and batch number, and I was key in ingredient and R&D code. So for R&D daily production order, I was key in production product code planning, key in batch number and quantity of production daily order, and print order sheet to operator. Chapter 4, Conclusion. During my internship, I gained some experience and knowledge related to the scope of work in the food manufacturing industry, and has developed soft skills between workers from various stage and background. This is my LinkedIn profile, student internship at QL from March 2025 until July 2025, that I have skill for Microsoft Excel, management leadership, Microsoft Word, strategic planning, and student supervision. I was student internship in Research and Development Ingredient Department of Innovation and Regulatory Affairs, or also known as IRA. Chapter 5 is suggestion for faculty industrial training program. First, student advised to have more exposure towards Excel and other related complex key-in platform, and student may have additional language knowledge and exposure towards job expert. For suggestion for industry must give switch department or rotation to internship students soon for more input and production scope, and the task must related with background food industry course. Industry must open future opportunities for students when they have graduated. For suggestion for myself, completely tasks that given by supervisor every week, and learn more about Excel key-in data and other Microsoft or complex key-in platform. This is my appendices, my profile LinkedIn, and QL food industry link.